I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on Binance. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is download and sign in the Binance app, and you should see a prompt to verify your account. You can simply click on Verify Now to guide you through the process. And if you don't see it, you can click on the three horizontal lines on the top right, the top left, and then click on your profile logo. Now in verifications here, you can see it's unverified, so click on it to take you through the verification process. Now you want to select the residence country and the document issuing country or region, and then you want to select the document type that you want to use for verification. So there's ID card, passport, or residence permit, or sometimes the driver's license, depending on the country. Now select the document type that you want to use and press continue. Now click on continue for taking pictures. Now this should open up the camera where you can basically scan the front side of the document, and it should tell you the steps you need to do. So first the front side, and then the back side, and then the selfie. And once you complete the pictures or taking the pictures, they should be sent for verification. And once it's done, they should reply to you with the verified status. You can allow up to 24 hours for them to verify the documents and get back to you. And then you would have verified your identity on Binance and your account. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.